So warm welcome at the IoT World Solution Congress in Barcelona. And this is really a great event on Internet of Things called IoT. HARTING is a manufacturer of connectivity, and here we show an example how you can connect really old machines, like a typing machine in this case, to the Internet of Things. So I can make an example here and count these writings here. And what you see here up there is the number of counts we have. And we take this data, process it, and bring it to the cloud if you want to. So the clue about Mica and the Internet of Things is that you take very simple, very easy sensor data, pre-process the data, and bring the data to the place where you need it. And this for very old machines, and this is why we have this old typing machine here, to show you that any machine on the planet can be connected with Mica to the IoT.